Hi friends, in this video we are going to explore a Japanese design concept of Notan. Notan literally means light and dark harmony. Notan is a perfect example of the usage of positive and negative space. Positive space being the area something takes up, and negative space being the area around the object, which is often the background. Notan artists are ultimately seeking balance in their work, either symmetrical, which means it's equal on both sides, or asymmetrical, which means it's different on both sides, but still equal. For this project, you're going to need glue stick, scissors, a pencil, a ruler, a sheet of white computer paper, and some colored paper. Now, using my ruler, I measured out a 4.5 by 4.5 inch square and then cut it out from my large piece of paper. And this is what the base of my Notan design is going to be on. By using a 4.5 by 4.5 inch square, it fits nicely onto a piece of computer paper. It can be a little bit bigger, but I wouldn't suggest going anything over 5.5 inches. Now with your pencil, you're going to design what you'd like your Notan to look like. Some pointers: we don't want to cut off any of the corners of our square. So you wouldn't want to make a cut that goes straight across here. You treat each side as its own design. And you also don't want to go past the center point. So I like to actually draw a polka dot in the center to make sure none of my designs go past that. I'm going to draw some really basic shapes. I'm actually, I think, going to make it the same, just a little bit different on the other side. You can make this geometric or organic with your shapes. You can keep it simple, you can make it complex, whatever you would like. So once you have your design, you're then going to cut out. Make sure you don't lose any of the pieces that you are cutting out. You're going to need all of them to include in your final picture. I like to cut the really big shapes out first, and then cut the smaller. And set that to the side. If you don't want to draw your design onto your piece of paper, you can always just cut freehand. There's that side. So now that you have all of your pieces cut out, we're going to start to arrange them onto our piece of paper. I'm going to actually flip mine over because I don't want to see my pencil lines. And you're going to start to arrange so they fit nicely on your paper and don't go off the edge. You want to make sure those areas you cut out perfectly meet up with the cuts that you made. Now, for areas like this one where we cut the shape out, then we cut another shape out of that, we have to put that one in the other space that we cut. So we started with this shape. Then we cut this one out of here, so this one has to go this direction. And then finally this small shape came out of this one, so it goes the opposite. After making sure your pieces are exactly where you would like them, you're going to start to glue down. I like to start with the largest piece in the middle first. Once you're done, you have an awesomely designed Notan picture that you can hang up or give to somebody as a present. I can't wait to see what you guys create. Good luck, guys!